agus fáitií héic na Seansalaithe mas maidin seans lacu glaciad na Seansalaithe. Is me sé Hugh McGillicada arás a rís libh in the spooky month of January 4. So I swear, go it's fecum taushi exam that fwy lahar. Although there's already just been scanning knowledge or in television chin sikin. Nos ni héisian an flag woman shot them shot a pog belly yanu agus mar is grad them and shot le much colacia lemhuch carja or deuce blair which all anywhere and you give her that.
Alright, tá get bug chin an chat an seo, but súla go bheith an marte go seop to ja humor ar Maurice.
Mar is gra. I mean, Jenna Jane am fod. Aha am fucking too much that you just been spinning all war. Níos fair.
Yeah, yeah. Ceart not good.
Yeah. Kager clutching to cost that lounge singer for her bay. You know.
Oh, Garvila my god. Rub it in.
Yeah. Well, it can't be rubbing it in to man Shaw Foster. Let James Fáilte. James, Timmer Tatu.
Well, yeah, to my hand is Hugh tutorial who's Hugh the moisturizer for eye, moisturize for men. Yeah, so dan piece of chlor sponsor wat Nivea men. So Grimmy Maggie as I know yeah, 480 lehi is that Namiani give you the start of things that you know to my squeeze the father, you know, much of that like us the fusion to my because of mushroom. So yeah. Happy out agus rich have a broad tool in this channel consumption.
Mushroom bread blaster, James came out absolutely beautiful. But a jarter. I know go was couple shots to get but well I made the November blian faster I mean tash chatrash.
Yeah, I'd say going yeah be draguni the kushwa November like agus more akaship between basically actually picture that the channel home where TV in the gimmerchen hall gimmer snazi rules grow on tash or refreshing is in every organized taking that ads roofray so the problem with a home of your machine agus yeah bishop na glorious and Éist in mean the sound
test run not tash run better vision of the car major feel her well so to much genu me special the episodes and me shot or the Seansalaithe and it's Goman you know not Mariagwell and you feel her going mental house North called backpack of Lake Bridge genu episodes Jenny Sraith care episode and Shaw la high cashni a her or because you know to much play like la ni small blian also the mature involved la blian which is mental absolutely dark ratchet you know ni were much chance la properly interrogate car you know agus Kane the cashni or carmajuri bedroom not there in pots and just the chance doing much hena common in there na vein there here agus much her in there so Fáilte me the galler dus because níl shame ogum na níl shame facugum so then base ogin KH like an level a galler ray o Seanish so in the lads cooking up in the lab in the cashni viaku so to my ray listen interrogation well shivs your ray like because you know chance game jarku go home on their flug of arms it rip Jerry and so shot.
Yeah,
I'm going much dodge insert and roll of nuggets at the grammar Irish or you know we're going to be asking the hard hitting questions and all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I have no pressure.
We'll toss a ray.
Yeah.
Need to ray.
Do you know what? Captain go my ray at Tessagum for Jerry and episode job in Michelle like Kane for get their yarting show yenu like Kane but like her chat rats a WhatsApp leve like oh bitch shock whole ground where I guess near chat my flee like the chunkery done Canushin Gajianish so I'm like oh fuck right okay oh yeah no Tamaray Sheelam go my ray so
okay
so Detective James Detective Anya array
Keshte hingan agallamh le Hugh. Okay, dan gaan we af PG maar snel ach kan criú.
Ooh.
Head blian omlan het amach rooi. Níl cadad ach cúni mala clia no nál. As níl cadad cuairte huirts ní cadad tadigana a gewoon fach seconde sin. Ní cad gluich ní cad éon FaceTime ina, tá cad gluich, tá cad gluich gohan, ní cad éon FaceTime ina. Cin áit tá tú fánach le hén blian. Mala clia No. Over to you.
These fucking bastard characters. Yeah, my helma. Can PG I can cry. She's beasting go out. Beasting go out.
En buinte go toen cash down. We like actually should I hear cash on flying. So we like we wish cream that pizza. We wish get a lot.
Oh yeah, right. Cheeny Mac. Okay, well. Oh yeah. So actually na dun now. Right. So obviously Tam McCree is the dun Togu mention, as a counter gallant to run the first agus is blian omlan so kilachin events sawala lahai nalug events sawala lahai ma vrethla ma weher vrethla ma eher vrethla ma yerfer. Oh yeah.
Chin dat de koiamach en er die haar war.
Haar war.
En dat was takeaways Hugh.
Oh, staat!
Dat de kamach gym membership sin tad. Er pictúirí on stáitse da haach den ag de horrors na tickets go gigakins mar
a Harleyan
dat de koiamach gan or the yelle.
Oh, Sean Rudd is, agus is full of me, right? Agus tasking again be my magu for you and Tamer Fod. Is actually smiling the honey and honey molecule. Agus tasking gur like punch a consfudja ishin gur, like actually Tasha Jast of Angel car in the street, of Tantau arm. Yeah. See Tamasil Umlan and Shaw. Shouldn't fire Tamasil Umlan molecule. So ní creidem go chun se ra ní creidem go chun Tá a teile ha mé bhharú déirhin go bhéh arm fána má le lia déirhin go mé arm é
That's cold tá sin fair.
Tá cin sin Tá bro arm
an ghiltocht mu na ghiltocht is go cancelling
Sílam go deor súla Hugh láir.
Sin a moisturizer Haitian Jory.
This was really on the question I got about tough. Like you should really get to know you, don't you? Like so.
Oh yeah, my helmet. Yeah, Sean Rudd. They're flagging thing out of in the ocean, so it's being cad slice avocado toast to the creeping you. Ni weet go.
Ni had dat zin in de hard stuur zo. Terwijl bin met laatst ook nog Tony om zijn handen. Dus niet zo move wat het lachen mag gebobber.
At the Sraith Heart Arts so was a fancy.
Ní ligi muir an ghil a rasta húna scorbé.
Ní ligi agus den car
don't
go lig tú sí siad.
Yeah, you know what? Better. Fág go bheith is gin couple of líana is like yeah, tá amagam go arás na wall is game my van is my plan bhé lo me dúna agus be just gata guitars be like no Holamaid Eagrán sin an na seachtainí níl seans go got arás. Sláin yeah, the brown arm much ruin and all cai mé ar go arm fan an seo.
Tá seo ceann bunthir dhearú deile go agad do meic t cinniú dhéanú bhí cad go ceanháin fiocanis an goréilda de híal an bheocha football special an bheocha bio Supermacs.
Áine! Sean like cruel. Sean 5 with a lumsa right is good inchim like to fear fashion to fee ruddy like to McCree steen ruddy agus inchim that a handling it but then killing shin face like ding chin usad shin like in my aid and like higla like I know how we're gonna wind him up. Football special not Supermacs. Oh Jesus. Right. Oh, and burgers in a Supermacs. Tasha just and chicken breast sandwich. Tasha,
agus catú creamy with Papa John's Supermacs.
Agus Papa John's come Eilish. Ní bhfuil Calvin go leis Barack Obama Plaza. Tá dúirt má.
Agus to be honest, ní bhah cead is ag an éon plaza. Supermacs a chuí
gáil. Agus caihí mé a rá. Agus the thing you be bhfuil aithne acu arm like so má the Gurkern fish. Tá print a football special agam an seo, Tá print a football special dí an agallamh ag deas an seo, Tá print a football special in agallamh a leabí fásta, Tá mó chuí istí a football special ó bhí má fearrág, like tá se chun mé a bhharú, like tascum go was chun mé Gary Swiss agus bé like PC like full in a football special stream as opposed to PC football special in a full stream. But no, caihí mé ra, like agus tá crazy Supermacs ach, you know, agus be má críomhrichte a hanna má. Rugnu should like you must drag out like American hig Supermacs rivet. I remember show the rivet like the like you know cat that could go NHL how and Supermacs to reach the lumps ach be McGor the football special Jira Higmaha like tagging and van Higmaha like the delivery do and this
care de bheith gogat in áit Supermacs so in é hamí.
In é má. Do you know tá agus seo shout out in is dá an cheantar tam an na hónaí tá Italian chipper. Now some came flag go should like the mucher and the dal agus chippers in airing. Now some came flag gur rodation at the Esther I am see April with the Giranaculum and shot he's in Slorgan agus tá the chips just tá J agus yeah no car use chips which are rare like there's a really like tá se really mai so fé sin fé arm ná a Jeep match and you know chicken burger ass fé arm smith your Supermacs you know
in a cheamara dún an gáil go bheith hís tú nettle sin
no you know what Caima bona caiú hacu in is ríis Caima tispa gur basú den alme ríis ní mas crustaigh Supermacs go fáil agus McGuinness's well I think over McGuinness's and what clear it's like takeaway ela at ahani yama they had ela from jingery yama and what clear Ramish McGuinness's I'll teach you the ways
Supermacs so need naam to drag
ní
donna cruise picture Hugh cholas nach calgary
sorry Pat
Guess it's okay, she'll count jazz. I'll throw you a bone in it.
Okay.
So Dinamoru Imalo on starche, it's drawing as well as marine. So in a stone that earth drama in not down can't start you with the puka.
Oh, cash fear why. Bavra lom show a genu shaw like real like you know we're like so there be mission these Oige right shaw like a home fear the mature bun skull agus be like worksheet done and it was like you know chin time thar Jane equal to Jane agus vi get with the Gary a yanu like chin pasta while at these Oige or in the tatani shinya agus mission J blian the ish right so shaw chuig Jake blian Scream Mission Sheets because Nema Magu, but while I'm a stand-up comedian. Like no, not a word of a lie. The be my whole auction for my garage Yanu. So Jerhing the statue of Bralam Yanu is like Laugh Factory in LA, like the Comedy Cellar in the Iraq, like Radio City, like you know, the Apollo Hall in London, you know, like knee statue drama per se, act like ethnic casual. A row, you know, stand-up Kyle or show Edinburgh Fringe, Bravadam Drama, Yen Wissenchen, or like could be like or Bravadam stand-up Yen and Foster. I used to show her like Ella Wissenchen, not how could be so yeah, no, like it's all on kedla, grow on la dolama free capitalism, I guess grow arm pasta be ogum there be money shin pasta be my Gary Yen. There's a crackle to like this nutrition, but yeah, shin crowd Jane the fadinha.
So what's the book start on?
That's one. Not during Radio City. I'll know. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Okay.
Good choice.
Yeah. Anna bougie.
Okay, ceist sa kind of bunse le do go débre mai. Tá go mean go leor, you know, tá go leor rudí agsler siúla go idir stand up agus géir seo agus it's a content creator.
Content creator.
Should a paid partnership. One of my had Jenny and what her siúla got cared of a Jenny.
Oh, so like monoroma go burst na man, like cén pasta na mai anu.
Yeah, go dtíre.
Oh, sin ceis mai. Bhrálum bhrálum leor screw, like leor len garscéalta agus like karma or karma couplicant who was Serlina. There's le fecal like medium or could be in season. I don't know, will I'm season few on these small. Act a couple like garscéalta screw fugum feel higher agus bhrálum like Baljuhan DFN. So like I mean bring my barla or an Oscar like so it's kind of like it's such like a file fairly on brand. Ach yeah no Jerring Level more like Shrievenar Lori Len Amshire no Kane pasta normal available. I mean if I go more tech la high tumble because like it's just handy. Shouldn't just go hand the pasta tech go handy. If you my lord la lad
go bike rentals no.
Oh stop. Ní féadlam go rás. Ní hiaglam do rás ar bhín leitn land gangsters agus mobsters agus ahanúd like. Da think bhí nachhfuil is acu bhí never mar an J1 bhí má gobar in Éist. Nachhfuil omní smó like fully like dread cheese and shoppa.
Oh cheese.
Yeah. Bhí arú like bhí an Éist feckin land gangsters agus like good shit to safe like bhí sé go man like agus and so and rud a Harley was and Banister hug a past it dag shesh and gana inch do right agus Shan score mission deported but from a past anyway leves the ancient so then in Banister ring shot Iraq the druggy a yield had kind in the gCeist as Aaron agus vi so right vi lad and shin to shop it agus is foolish and Banister shop so he snitched him out like dirt shot lesson banished in his urge like or you know can yarn the shot you're a chaw yanu like Kegaro should the genu ruddy a wad and he smashes these shop in that shop but dirt should grow on banished or Gary deal the drug he can in the gCeist agus first should raylash and then tree le in the Asian hoy and safe like vijal catch it agus neuro breaking or be so like it was thing via saku like in the codes Hig and shop it. So like
Cé nó bhir tú post an áit mar sin.
Just my texting thing agus we should like yeah go on good stuff like literally like just texting refasting gahanna agus just fi breast as the ending of laku but vi shot being action crackle vi shamra gneson like vi shamra vi on like sakul a vi like nadingi gober on vi should like if I like yella vi lad of your probation agus like her how she like skin the kind of the gCeist like you know like her wall off like on the guardy
vi sin mar front
basically the imposter front came again agus mi go run
only you you're like should going to be
oh vi amar doing hi vi crack like oh vi and lad vi ag caru na roher ring shot Jake Bliana is San Quentin fly manslaughter. So, yeah.
Oh, wow. This is like Pimp My Ride.
Oh, go home, man. It was like, it was like running out as the scan and like, except that they could actually have killed me. But you're worried.
On some lighter topics.
Yeah. And that's Mission Bear like, Harvard from a blast. Yeah, it would have been great. Oh my God. Milsna. But yeah.
Go sé ríist ag ceann this or that story. So tá sam tá do chríiste wrestling.
Yes.
Oh
no.
Tá do chrí freshness in anime.
Oh no, James.
So this or that tá do fá le ceann le as an televís bejór den jór fat an tail. Ní chead ach ceann the fuck fat the heel in it. Can't count the focus can fall.
Cruel height. They should really, you know, right. So
hey, go let the mustache and dance the arms get a pin out she's man.
You know, Sean 5 like they're the raw white more courage ladini. It's like Tessaku, you know, Neo angle what Saku could smile at like Tessaku and Omerka food. So it's a double-edged sword. Dar arm fall ra le wrestling na la anime. Leis an umrascal actually she dul mar sin an gaelic ar wrestling. Leis less gal la han le. Jerring, right, okay, so modular anime that Clara Wen Kahari agus say Kingdom Clara is fair television a bhí feicú hihi, right? Cowboy Bebop, máling that aiming at air or cumada that I just dog ratch might. If you might actually Gurk or Claire Ella or Majin so I should just half a job for Gurk or JoJo's Bizarre Adventure on Wi Foster. See
Pokemon. Anime of
Pokemon. Agus Pokemon, agus Yu-Gi-Oh, agus Stad, agus Dragon Ball. See it been tuned in Emihe, been the bangers in her fad Emihe, Darrow.
Squirrels.
NR. Tim go was the longest in Shaw Foster James is just near to
look, we mission
we mission Pokemon
big Pokemon
baby.
kid, man.
We a poster, we mo Homer clue poster Pokemon.
Oh, it's Yu-Gi-Oh, man.
Oh,
in the court, you look after man, Yu-Gi-Oh.
Agus mission. Oh, we my fucking packed law like Jerry Broma Harvard bankrupt. Let's
There's card in the store. Nah, if you Jim's Yu-Gi-Oh, he's gone, and then like, then he's grow to Aku, and then next you know, did you put my face down, card?
You just activated my trap card. Bam, bam,
Oh
bam,
my
bam,
god,
bam, bam.
like 10 million bonus points. Like,
yeah. and drama the higher skull.
oh shit.
Yeah. Much until like Arctic is in the ear, be like, oh
yeah.
shit. Oh man, yeah. Stop. Agus look like he faster being, because that Pokemon could usually vision pitch and then he faster.
Then to do foray and the Cluy wrestling.
See Sean
SmackDown.
Yeah,
SmackDown vs. Raw.
2K, Fire Pro Wrestling, Legends of WrestleMania. I would go too deep. Mahashma. Lesh number skull, right? Agus Dima Raj Shaw live riven in Tafel or whatever Morella go my goal trasna galunding le fecal Jerry Shachting one the wrestling as in Jasahern Agus Jadoni. Oh my gosh, she's a Crystal Palace Hig, Royal Quest, New Japan Pro Wrestling's Royal Quest, the fecal Kazuchika Okada, Switchblade Jay White, Will Ospreay, Odyssey Open, FDR, these shot and they mean literally nothing to you. I guess do say it's like these shot you'd like Mahaj Lechene, to my absolutely capital.
Well, Homisha egg show Umerskal version of him doig agus which was Maraclia agus is SmackDown to be on. So Honig Ma, Rey Mysterio, JBL, John Cena. I think
King Kieran but we miss to kind of be a Malfarge to Afishan tour here and then the WrestleMania Revenge tour, James. I think you'll find his time in Veer.
Probably yeah.
I know.
We should go for the Rey Mysterio. Now we should really build my goster like so we should like the small dude. Rusha World Heavyweight Championship, man.
Oh, happy times like.
And Swalia a gimmer and Lagan Bregan the Rey Mysterio. Oh, we in WWE like being ring again, being the lads a league, be Rey Mysterio, le mass bigger. So like body slams. Let's ring on the league, yeah.
Oh my god. So it's nerd has a pasta Áine then so.
Yeah, just Sheelam girl Simagum Mami Alagrush and we are her. Just gross and Megshan on, yeah, and you're in Rawagum and just ended up.
I could dash of Swiss, whereas I haven't. I guess the mission fall. Actually, the wrestling action figure, Jira Nakulum and Shar Lappy Pasta. The Chris Jericho isn't. But yeah, so I think either in Birchaku Vale arm Ranu wrestling for arm Ranu Umberskal Martin Bawina Machanyal because like so Vinima came for like ta and mention what you got our show ta like Don Omlan where it's like to genre is the actual like to grin it's really technical it's really like like spectacles over or whatever on August Foster like a dull it's like dull Higarklan. It's literally like there's thinking Grosha Costa like modern Greek theater or modern Greek tragedy like which like mauling that ending you got like show bia anish like these genuine because being just like being skelty Doc Ratchet has been like obviously being athletes either or being the co-athlete like
drum How I Met Your Mother like robots versus wrestlers so
yes So Jerry níos fear na How I Met Your Mother. That's how seriously nearing up we a number skull. So yeah, for arm fa an draw her slants an anime, but be my clean you in mo WWE t-shirt, my NWO agus my with my Chris Jericho action figure agus le Rey Mysterio mask.
Hey, at least I shouldn't choice ma
Actually, yeah.
More on Shawn Michaels.
Oh, I think sexy boy. I'm not your boy toy.
What? Okay. Sin.
Or on Shawn Michaels and you, please.
Come on.
I think I know I'm hot. I know I'm sexy. I got the looks. That drive them all wild.
Okay. Níor go man dáint an riú mo híl.
Is banger. Is back Kermé hogad in seo.
And Shokiol intros again, are you in?
Yeah. And then checking out side lunge and just being muscles will draw you.
Tanirchin Tanirchin like Ashtarock the winch le
WrestleMania.
Oh, 100%.
Kermain television she'll rare as we she'll raw and Tanya Mavier.
Yes.
Agus is Ashtarock go home lot of you like in our good she'd Gertia. It's like it's the spasmal and stuff like ligan sure good shit like good fits the thar though.
Yeah.
Eden. Ni hooked to my credit like
you the hash like hella fast big drama.
It's don't doubles it like is.
As in shin sa cadig dinner ella like rehstock as unsi yenner dinner not with few church in the good like we come na real.
Oh, and you have a lot to learn. That line la follow good.
Yeah.
Do you know what? Okay. I think a Kether will run on a Kether will run on the molecule every cartoon through rugging it all, and I think they'll cracker the again.
I mean, yeah, I'm up for it. Why not? Okay, tá mis go ceist for dain chuirtnis. Yeah, just change the tone of this. It's Harleen.
No.
Had to go to van be comfortanish.
Nice.
Okay, so Nuir tus a latain Hugh. Cared a swinging to me.
Romhainn. What now? When you now kinky now, what are you meaning now? Romhainn.
Okay, like. G'day, if that's what you're
thinking. We do like seachtainí.
Just that you see Latin. No, you say dána, ta say dain.
Oh, sorry.
Tell us your deepest, darkest thoughts and
feelings. My deepest, darkest thoughts and feelings. Jesus Christ. Sin and smuinú bhain mi gom na Christ. No, ní hé. Nuir tá ag smuitiú Romhainn agus nuir tá go homlan cáilte I michin. Do you know what I it's like to goni kinchiger near my German they're running at shin because they red ring because ni scream in chase agus ni lock them like calendar notes no mission agus ni really might tattoo size screen on timer fod where it's just like I feel like go running at going on like a chatting shot and then you're like oh feck like if you've done like drama and shin or in Sahar and Huema le feckal drama the Hudge Nisha Carolyn like a sneak up running man drama but when my mom the revision because then watching watching Jasaran or it wasn't watching Jasaran it was Trinona Jasaran the Magiri Mazilabi I was like I feel like goal etch and chart go my name's survey like the my name's Faye all we hear lie running out and then from on text to WhatsApp being like oh yeah that's some big boost was like an article and punch a shot I was like shite okay right fuck right oh my god so yeah next time I Romhainn Jerry it's like hey Gary Jenny Kinchi Gajeo Mayanu like annihilation or like antrononation or like remission. Tama just hogri, huh? Like tama just ho, tama just is the kind of PA the remission.
During knock me to Latin Rovinic, I mean.
No, ni Rovinic. Agus faster like is Bradam Gesha like call is phodchraoladh remission. So ni vi mar nam goma like literally but nertama idolly shin or when agus faster than I just like and like that's their task and brain got my limit it's like every possible bad scenario with the thar and then it's like wait no actually no right to Holly Neil Amagum like shot
no that's shouldn't stuff come back that's the
bad scenarios also okay inch about the and fear is more to agus like ni anisha ein kill but well Janisha kill ni anisha ein kill like Neil in flag cartu ogla arm ta ogla all war arm free fell blast and like but like the federal at the end of the end like it's literally Neil ain road so you're really carted to be art foot or fui because like Neil Ain with it, but and this is a reach, but I just go Holly and I'll be like, oh feck, like shots going my blast, and I'll be like, but then I'm like, oh wait, no, Neil Am the shot the Tim Rush call, like it's literally like that.
Had to go such a lad in The Fault in Our Stars, don't you? Do you know what's your biggest fear? And he's like, oblivion.
Carmen unlit cigarette steam in Malau.
It's a metaphor.
It's metaphor.
You do the thing that does the killing. You put the thing that does the killing between your mouths, but you never give it the power to kill you.
It's metaphor, eh? It's my by heart thing. This Astro The Fault in Our Stars. Yeah. So yeah, Shin Rod talking again, like. Ní tá se Robin is an haid tamil was like a hanna líe, but there's not Robin because I'm like Neil Firebeat do níoch fi seo because literally Neil Lane rug visual anyway. So
good.
YOLO and NASA come on Ashkel. Nílach seal of wine. Honey bands was going EP actually is she like Tiddle. I was like come on Ashkel.
What?
Tiddle. TITL. This is the life. I know.
Wow. Permission with I don't know. Can't I want him for tittle?
Yeah.
You didn't actually want horrible.
No. Yeah. Keep put your tittles away. Get
your tittle out of my face.
Line tittle.
Okay, Hugh. So the nearest goal isn't that fluency for his DMs. Kid the most shameful DM. I show to you about.
Yeah. This is all access all areas in
access all areas.
Yep.
Lay a ma and DM is ma. Oh my god.
Then thirst trap is moving killed.
A thirst trap is mo. Do you know what?
It's Tinder agus lay ma dear hesh.
Do you know what? Ni actually really awkward Tinder. Agus ni vim or this bar ni find Milan matches agus narrow is ni Ní bhí a chatart ar her seoladh chattartí hiag daoine. For my kin class and sin journals their thing is fire Gaelic cluiste na coscín briste. I was like, yes.
Oh.
Glocky mal sin. There's ní karma fryer rasher, but you know, it was the thought was there. Jane this master thought actually they literally gark my tenderness agus my hinge faster. Jering, let's see. Nervy ma in like cadre dingy. I was like, you know, I was being size dána. Ní ma like near karma pictúirí thing you be not like raw all like because I was sorry thirst trap just a way be like oh Shaw and Lane or refer man Shaw whatever like looking nice and sexy whatever but your oma you know gotta be wrong and you're in fits and Shaw
I just go granner is when we're dinner v like a glacu picture you know start compromising my shit.
Do you know what I think Gosha Foster is like obviously in like Siva went like is courage all warm you know like blue courage and like courage like Yavian like such an impactful like beyond so we know each other so intimately Agnesa Deutschen so this needs Deutschen so we sweet you are in a courage chat mission is like completely out of the completely out of it. So I'd say you're definitely karma chapter thingy being like pure sexy mission or like I don't know like really we you know personally carp sack or whatever or that her should ruddy hug him. Sorry no just for coming him Fima file Fima I can't believe Resha Fima Zoom I know Quaid fucking Shaw like Tom my own or whatever but fi ma file like chatratí dána agus me in Zoom agus like the arm like I had to stay like cool agus just like file just the pictúirí milk or whatever and I was obviously like encouraging it like I'm caring but we shall like but hard Zoom so the arms of it like you know like you know Gary Urker in camera but I'm kind of being like trying to irk cheese you know kind of live they're really subtle alk really alk into all of it I don't know I will not able to actually attract with is then amshu as in I can't think of like in with this massa I definitely I was up to no good a week comedy there in that character I was bold boy this is Thanks to Bron arm. Oh, stop.
So cean eile. Bhfuil éon regret olmhar agus I do híal go dtí seo. Rud a bhí
Oh,
go deoch le arás as gan é dhéanú. nó
agus ganna dhéanamh.
an cinú nach darlín sé.
Oh, ceis mai. Let's see. Rud ar wish gar. Do you know go dé dhearthaime agus bhí seo like rud an óbhí mar like ar an ollscoil agus like tá ó bhád níos fearr inis. Ach bhí hiaglam nar bhí má like I gcéirí galamala daoine nó má abalta é ré lá ar Harvey like ar Harvey it would be like encourage go jaw and then be grand whatever or like then you're able to actually rud be thar whatever so we might just go like a in or all scoff you might like oh only like always the bridesmaid never the bride like all like kind of crack shot whatever I can see but like her shot or like never in all skull whatever I guess inish it's like no and you can't like why am I putting weight or shot like can't I go my torch like and cooked like shot so next time I want these fair a bheith like seo níl se táhacht níl an rud seo táhachta agus den ar matróíar is actually tá dulúm an daine like is smáilm thu or bhhaid aáil le cunne or like coffee or like whatever like má bhád níos tá bhád is mú féin bhain nígam I wish go and féin bhain nígam never mar an ollscoil agus then so má like just like cree version tamar fod like basically I don't know I know you probably in dies fair Aaron dies fair like bro just tamar fod like oh no it's not
ní bhín really féin when ní dunar bí a learn ollscoil ar dús so ná bí roiín ar 10%.
Oh I know like but it would have saved a lot of hassle.
Tá sort like áféilir faoi gailbhreachtaí go deoch leat a bheith agus níró si dogus.
Even sin just like idir sin agus then like car bhí má like gafla daine agus bhí like sorry an agus gafa lumps or whatever and it's like agus chuir se star an méid but like near car but near car thought like it's like just sinna seal like and I feel very wise in the shoe like that how what he's saying to I'm more calm now agus he say namaste Johnny yoga agus sinna dáir dólama much meditations sinna dáir dólama cin Tá mágu
we're going out to stuff get your burger
yoga in a Sraith like ursively and Jering
yoga for sleeping
yeah just so that woman each in the squeaky generation but yeah no tá Jering vision road where it's just like fi rudí a chuir harm narcarta or narcartífa agus and there's tomorrow like oh ní sasta but I wish grom able to am sure sin níos leiche but look what you challenge
agus I ceist déidir dói siocht cinnaí garga om dir an flár trúr dinner party cé
Stop! Near few switch Martian. Near few switchy Martian. Oh my god!
I thought about the page I expect that. Oh, it's too bad. I definitely got to show that.
Oh, near few switchy Martian or Harvey. Oh my god! Oh, dinner party latrure. Oh god.
More of then setting.
Well, yeah, definitely. I would hope commission yeah because the dinner party that would just be shit crack like that or just like rotting corpses like. Just an sin I mean chance go you said macu sin true a male able to dinner party a bheith agam okay can line sentimental agus sin a mashanaher Hugh fadéman because gur worship blast in like Nijig Shaska quick agus sin an were mish animse agus dú lumps and tamerfog gro an castleish but obviously it's like odini ro aithne acu or Shaska blianahain so bhrelum actually bulu lesh and be like ke ho costlin hella a walmuch like actually walmuch costla then bhrelum bulu la Sam Rockwell that's the nastortion be like in 3 billboards outside Ebbing Missouri agus moon is in Scottish is brelum am effect me Tamachreasty in the scan yen shot Canuriga actually in see how they run she loves your run provide the facal agus just the Macreasty so the magic I just want to pick his brain agus and shin Seo like like Fáilte seo, it's like Bob Odenkirk tasca a bhí mar Saul in Breaking Bad agus better ach ní do bhhair sin it's mar gheall this is like full comedy nerd a chart manish bhí Claire aige agus lá eile seo do bhainnim David Cross a bhí a testí in Arrested Development agus in na Claire seo bhí Claire aige do bhainnim Mr. Show a bhí ar HBO likes the Nahaji and it's kind of na Claire is granwer a hánig mai chuige it was like this really weird like sketch show that rud so tá just scary Lord leis faoi an ran agus faoi like you know comedy mission just be like Ken Doyer hannig Swiss the character show and the sketch show whatever because we should crack at it like we go home on like ní mar dar víni ma iad chance nach me cading and Claire show you because we Jack like go home on like way out there like a brelum Lord leis faoi sin gajira like Lord faoin Claire sin agus faoin ran of the mission so yeah sin true so Hugh Fadiem and Sam Rockwell agus Bob Odenkirk
oh what through agus Colin se go based well in setting feel
oh he said Leor's Tavern hart na darib or hart minelek he said run nacular run the farm hart quick check one which is run the farm fashion shop sta handling agus
football special
hey ni be rot the beanies fair hey ni be rot the beanies fair I think assume gebishin what do you call it because time of was like an arm okay Jane Doyle wohin ship we should like will MNR vanish we nor Jan and shift we're go agallamh anish or on the cash ni vi her arms so
just moim go lachna ní sfar go neir an issue you know level ella
it's hugely disappointed
no thar hashi much Patreon version will do after dark because you know just bit a man the pictúirí in the ditch I'll really no well when we Seachtainí sin agus we already jazz actually we just like oh wholesome nish chef much came a tag in the kinny element ach we should just glotch Sian Grishin le haid na seansalaithe den seachtain seo gur míle maigimh so bhí géisiir leis an Eagrán speisialta seo agus náidir ag tearmid cumid genú coppla Eagrán costa seo don bhí so bhí ag súil go mór le íteanna cos be crack ar dóid agange má géir na seansalaithe amsú ar na bhain hosta time which ar na seansalaithe ar Twitter na seansalaithe ar Instagram na seansalaithe ar YouTube agus ag fecha argad aon í gáanta má géir anywhere amsú ar na main hosta tá sí mar anywhere ar Twitter anywhere ar Instagram agus anywhere ar TikTok that hashtag branding Tá géir James a amsú ar na man social te mar Fáilte ar Twitter Fáilte ar Instagram agus Fáilte ar TikTok hashtag branding agus má géir mise amsú na man hosta the more Hugh here or Instagram, Hugh here or Twitter, I was just grab Hugh or TikTok. So Nico hashtag branding. Earn her. Badger like and who knows. Agaji and chatting sugar girl, me the Morgan certification as the Chancellor, and it's going to drash reach let Eagrán go home on nua. What do you salt? That's Jerry shot again. Slime.